Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I'm still changing up some of my Christmas decorations, but I just want to show you how easy and versatile it is. This one had a wreath for Christmas, and this is on our Aiden 9x12 frame, which is really cool. I love it. It is magnetic. If you'll see, I cut this out of a screw saw, the arrow. Put magnets on the back and it just sticks wherever you want to put it. Now with this home transfer, which I think is really cool, I want to change it up and I want to make it more for Valentine's Day. So what I'm going to do is take off the chalking on the wreath and I'm going to replace it with hearts. Now these hearts come from the Vintage Truck Spring add-on, along with all these little ones, which I might, like they're going up in the air. And this XOXO, I think it's that way. I always get this mixed up, or if it's that just looks upside down to me, so I think it's this way. But, you know. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. So come on and watch and see how I do it. Okay, the first thing, of course, I'm going to get the arrow out of the way, is to take off the wreath in the middle. And this comes off with water, or I'm using Lysol wipes right now. Now, the reason I'm not spraying with water, because I don't want to re-chalk home. I could if I have to, but I prefer just to leave that and just clean up the wreath in the middle. One time I did this one for a friend, and I put a paw print for the O in home. So there's a lot of different things you could do. Easter, you could put an Easter egg or even a bunny. You know, everybody figure out what it's supposed to be. So it's kind of fun to come up with ideas, mix transfers, see what you want to put in there. And since this one is magnetic, I could also cut something out of a screw saw and put a magnet and put it in there. So possibilities are endless. Okay, so choices to make. Do I want to use, for the hearts, Currant Jam, which kind of has a magenta look to it, or Candy Apple Red, which is a very red, kind of Valentine's red. And I also have Cherry Blossom too, a pink color. Here's my colors. So even though I really like Currant Jam, if this red isn't for Valentine's Day, I don't know what it is for. So I am going to use Candy Apple Red. But you know, you can choose whatever you want. That's what's the fun. You can make it yours. So I am going to start, now that I got the wreath off of there, I'm going to put home in the middle. And then I'm going to have some flying hearts coming up here. So I might do one in red and one in pink. So here we go. So here I am applying the paste. And I am using the squeegee, which is a silicone squeegee. And you're applying it on, take off the excess, put it back in the jar for another time. Do want to make sure you use this squeegee because you don't want to do any damage to the netting. Also, it's a great tool and it really makes the paste and ink go on very smoothly. Now here I'm doing just a different technique. I'm just dabbing a few of the different colors on just squeezing it together, kind of making a hot mess. It ends up like a tie-dye effect. It's easy. And there we go. So if you enjoyed this, if you would like to browse, shop, or join, just go to couture.com/Cherie Criswell. See, it was fast, it was easy. Let's see, what can we do for St. Patrick's Day, Easter, 4th of July?